subtraction of fractions with brackets. Examples. Simplify 3x plus 1 divided by 4 minus fraction x minus 5 divided by 4. Solution. We have 3x plus 1 divided by 4 minus x minus 5 divided by 4. Now, the LCM of denominators is still going to be 4. Because of the fact that the denominator of the first fraction is the same thing as denominator of the second fraction. So LCM of denominators equals to 4. So in this case, we have 4 here. Now, since we're having 4 divided by 4, we have 1. So we now have 1 into what? Into brackets. 3x plus 1. Then 4 divided by 4 also. We have minus. You know, minus is in between here, so the minus is here. So 4 divided by 4, we have 1. So we now have 1 here, 1 into bracket, x minus 5. So in this case, we are going to expand the brackets. 1 times 3x, we have 3x. 1 times plus 1, we have plus 1. Then minus 1 here. Minus 1, we multiply everything inside the bracket. Minus 1 times x, we have minus 1x. Minus 1 times minus 5. Minus times minus is plus. Then 1 times 5 is 5. Hence, minus 1 times minus 5 will give you plus 5. So we have divided by 4. The next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting like terms simply means you bring those ones that look alike together. So we have 3x minus 1x, then plus 1 plus 5. We bring this one and this together also. So divided by 4. Now simplify. 3x minus 1x, that is 2x. Then 1 plus 5, what will you have? 6. So divided by 4. It means that we can simplify this further also, because we can factorize the numerator first and simplify it with the denominator. What is common at the numerator? 2. 2 into bracket what? 2x divided by 2, what will you have? X. 6 divided by 2, what are we having? 3. So we have plus 3 divided by 4. Now, let's simplify. 2 here, 1. 4 divided by 2, what are you going to have? 2. So in this case, the answer equals what? X plus 3 divided by 2. And this is a single fraction. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.